Hello, it's great to be here and to be able to get the opportunity to speak to all of you in terms of really where healthcare, life sciences as a vertical business in Tech Mahindra is going. Also, to even to share some of the perspectives in terms of areas and direction that we see is getting applicable, and some of the priorities that we have before us. So, if you're really looking at the entire space, it's very exciting times. There's a great interplay of domain, process, and analytics that's really reshaping this entire industry. And we're seeing big opportunity areas for us to be able to participate, to enable our customers to do better, and to play overall so that there is additional value generated in the entire life sciences space. Tech Mahindra really comes into the play on multiple grounds. One is our global reach. So if you're doing rollouts, let's say, for instance, of a particular solution that you put across the world, I mean, that's something that really fits in with an area of opportunity that we really are focusing on. Similarly, Tech Mahindra is also an organization which is investing both in terms of domain capability as well as capability of its technology areas to come together. So effectively, if there is new technologies or new areas that are coming to the fore, we are able to invest ahead of the curve as well as be able to channel our investments in such a way that we can deliver more value to you. A third area where this really comes into play is in terms of being able to forge partnerships with associations, to look at standards that are emerging and to be able to really delve deeper and thereby provide additional value quicker and faster. So those are some areas which are really driving this entire business for us going forward. Our aim is very clearly to emerge in this new era as one of the leaders. And whatever investments that need to go across, whatever efforts that need to go across is something that we are very focused upon. We find ourselves in the midst of a very exciting period of time in the way the IT industry is engaging with the pharmaceutical business. Effectively, what's happening is that new paradigms are starting to get created, and we are actively involved in various phases of this paradigm. This involves working with technology, doing analytics, working across new paradigms of business model, and thereby creating new value for companies as well as for ourselves at Tech Mahindra. Some of the areas where we are very actively engaged at this point of time concern clinical trials. For instance, we're doing risk-based monitoring related pioneering stuff. So that's one area. There's another area where we are very actively involved is patient engagement and the way the whole paradigm of medical records is going to work across. A third area where there's a lot of work that's going on is to do with supply chain, single rollout of ERP systems across the world for large pharma companies. That's the reality today. Also, their migration into newer paradigms in terms of packages as well as solutions and analytics that they're doing across. So those are some areas where we are participating very actively. We continue to look for new paradigms, new opportunities. The strengths that we bring to the table when we're looking at some of these initiatives is the fact that we have a global presence. We do have the ability as well as capability to really go across and build complex solutions, and we do have access as well as a big body of people available who have knowledge about the domain as well as horizontal skills that are shaping the world of technology as related to healthcare and life sciences is concerned. So all in all, we think that this is very exciting times. There's lots to be done, and our hope is that we partner with leading global players to be able to deliver this additional value to their customers and on our side learn more so that we can deliver more to this industry overall.